everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day. This weekend I go outside with my friend and we just came to a small fishing village near the Shenzhen. So right now I'm near the beach. I'll show you some beautiful sightseeing here. Today there's no sunlight, so it looks like a little bit gray and dark, but I love this feeling. I love hearing the sound about nature, sound about sea. Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's very dangerous. The water is really clean. I love sea. I hope one day I can explore into the deep ocean. Wow, I love this feeling. It's a little bit cold actually. A little bit cold. The wind stepping on my face. I'm just standing here with nobody here, and I can hear no one's talking instead of me, so I just want to share this moment with you. The sound of nature, I love it. I'll be quiet. Coming from different ways, and they cross and then go to another way. I mean, it's the water, the wave of the water. My friend with the dog. She really likes it. She really likes the dog. This dog looks beautiful. Just follow up with them and help her take some photos. Oh, I think it's raining a little bit heavier. I mean, imagine I'm standing in the edge of the world. It helps me take all my headache and pressure away. I love nature, I love the earth. The earth is holding everything, including me, so I'm so lucky. and I'm happy to be here. Thank you. Thank you for showing me this beautiful views. Oh my god, look at this. This stone looks like a universe. Look at this. Interesting. I want to stand here for a while. Wow. Where do you live? Do you live in a city that near the sea, or you living in a city have the lakes or rivers or something? Or you living in a 100% modern city without much nature sightseeing? Where are you living? Here's another place of beach, and I see people surfing there. Oh, that's really cool. I never tried surfing before. Let me just watch them surfing. I think that the temperature is really low today. It's still a bit cold. But here actually the view is wider than the place I went. And it was raining for a while, so now the sunlight come out again. It's beautiful. People learning, serving there. Wow. So that's really cool. I see children that pick up the rubbish on the beach. I think it's like an activity to protect the environment or something. Here the sea is really blue. So, a little green as well. a golden village. And this is my playground. Right there, higher. I'm thinking about why is everybody thinking of changing this world? What's wrong with this world? If we love this world, if we love ourselves, we love each other, what's wrong with this world? Why everything needs to be changed? And then we all can enjoy this peaceful and beautiful landscape, isn't it?